Okay, so I wanted to make a quick short video on how to take the door panel off this 2010 Mazda 5. And how you do this is there's a black plastic strip that goes along right here that pops on like this, and you can just pop that right off. And then the second step you need to do is pop this cover back off. And you need to make sure that the door is in this position, the lock. And then as you pry on the side, you can pop it off. And then there's a connector here at the bottom, which is this connector, and you just pop that off and this thing pops off. Now the entire door panel can just be popped off. You start popping it off here. There are two screws that hold it on in place. Those two screws go here and maybe down here. You'll see them. They're little Phillips head screws that go on, that hold the main cover on. And so you take those screws off, and at that point you can start popping the door panel off the side here and along the bottom and along the side. And it's kind of hard, there's not a lot of space, so you really have to kind of lever yourself here. And once all the sides are popped off, it sits on this lip. It can just be raised up and then pulled out, and then you have exposure to all the electronics, like the window regulator, like the door handle. I'm going to be changing out the outside door handle, so I needed access to this.